Hello everyone, welcome back to Intellicraft. In this segment, I will demonstrate the advanced features for managing your timetable. Let's get started. To begin, click on Add More Plans. The first advanced feature you will see is the Merger of Classes, which allows you to merge two or more classes into one. Click on the Add New Merge Class button, then select the classes to be merged, along with the teacher, subject, and room. The next feature is Split Sections into Groups, which lets you divide sections of a class into smaller groups. Click on the Add button, enter the group name, and select the teacher, subject, and room for each group you create. You will also find the Fixed Placement feature. Here, lesson units with the teachers' names can be dragged and placed anywhere in the timetable grid, as long as there are no teacher conflicts. Once you are satisfied with the placement, click on Save button. Then, click Generate Timetable, and the timetable will update to reflect these fixed lesson units exactly as placed. Thank you for watching this demo.